Hi guys, 59 apps including TikTok being banned in India in one day? 59 apps indeed, but why TikTok so important? TikTok generates 30% of its revenue from India. That means 100 million viewers are from India. This is why it's a strategic movement from India against Chinese economy. Government of India yesterday issued a press release stating the reason for banning all these 59 apps in India, including TikTok. It states being prejudicial to Indian sovereignty, security and public order. Around 130 million people are using these 59 apps, but they are prone to insecurity of personal data. So in order to safeguard their interest, Government of India took such a big step. As per Ministry of Information Technology, using the power under Section 69A of Information Act, considering under emergent treat, Government of India have banned all these 59 apps in one day. Here, the principles of natural justice is not served for all these 59 apps in order to protect the immediate emergent situation of our nation. It's not a mere banning of an app from the Play Store, but a stringent measure from India against China. A strategic plan, a smart move creeping down the Chinese revenue. As per the data released from Reuters, when Madras High Court banned TikTok for 1 month, it cost around $15 million loss. So just think how much loss will be there now, even blocking all those 59 apps. If the Indian government have done such a big step, it's obvious other nations may also take such a strategic plan in the future. ByteDance company on TikTok increased their revenue to 100 crores only from India this year. It's being stopped with this movement. Just see how the Chinese economy is going to affect from such a big step from India. Cyberspace sovereignty of India cannot be compromised. Public safety is paramount. Even though there are many loopholes to access all these apps, but giving respect to our nation and law and order, please follow these rules. Thanks for watching our video and please like and subscribe our channel.